Hey, it's Dr. Chiropractor, Integrative Healthcare Solutions. I'm with Sam, our chiropractic assistant. Today I'm going to be showing you two great adjustments if you're having trouble sleeping. Now, generally most people have trouble sleeping because of number one, neck pain, and also mid-back pain. Reason being is neck, toss and turn could be a bad pillow, which we made videos about that yesterday. Or for the mid-back, you have two branches of your nervous system. You have your sympathetic nervous system and your parasympathetic nervous system, and your sympathetics are this mid-back area, T1 through T12. So if there's a problem in that area, it makes it hard for your body to relax. So I'm going to show two good adjustments, allow your body to relax so you wake up and feel great and have a good night's sleep. So the first adjustment, and we've already done x-rays and examination on Sam, is going to be for this mid-back area right there here, really stiff. Sam, I'll have you lie on your stomach. And Sam has a whole lot of tension in her mid-back area, so this is a really good adjustment for Sam. It allows her to get a lot better night's sleep. Right here, I'm going to apply some light pressure to an impulse, and then Sam might hear some clicks and pops, and she's going to feel a lot of release with this. There we go. That was a whole bunch. Sam, how are you feeling with that?
Good.
Let's do the next adjustment for sleep. This is really good for neck pain. Allow Sam to find that comfortable spot and sleep much faster. Let's have you on your back. And for this adjustment, we're going to focus on that upper cervical spine. And right here, Sam, relax. How'd that feel?
Really good.
That was a lot of movement.
A lot.
So those are two adjustments that really help you out, get to sleep faster, and wake up feeling much better, have a lot more energy. This is Dr. Chiropractor, Integrative Healthcare Solutions. Have a great day.